Okay, I got a group of insanely high-level survivors. I'm gonna get destroyed here. They're like level 20, level 30 survivors. I mean, the killers other than me. Oh, come on. Stop making so much noise. Bro, I'm gonna... What the hell is wrong with people's mics, bro? Such an insane amount of noise. Okay, I am starting outside.
This is gonna be fun. Lots of fun.
Okay, Jenny, are you here? Jenny is not there. That just means Jenny's out back. Okay. Now again, we must remember to look for our good friend. Okay, pressure thing is here. Pressure thing is here. Okay, keep an eye on that for sure. Here's the Jenny. So for sure, we put a trap right here. Okay, I don't like that we lagged there. Come on, high level Leatherface. Collect the blood. Okay, you're closed now. Okay, all this one is open. Make sure the electric thing is... Do not know if that is Leatherface, and that scares me. Chicken, you shut your mouth. Bro! It was just open. What are you doing, people? Can't just leave it on, or I'll leave it off, I mean. Like, seriously, it's rookie mistakes, man. Put a nice little trap right here. Okay, here we go.
It works.
Begins. I didn't hear anything, okay. I thought I could hear something. Thought I could hear movement somewhere. Apparently not. They're probably more than likely in the house. That is usually, yeah, I mean, it looks like it. Huh. It isn't here this time. Oh my god, the lag has started. Okay, the trap seems good for now.
Let these kids escape. We can't get in any more trouble.
Bro! What's up with the lag?
Drink it now, Grandpa. Get your fill.
Oh my god, they're walking around right outside. I can't move. I cannot move. I literally cannot move. This is so stupid. Oh my god, there you go.
It's too foggy.
Well, clear your damn head and find these assholes. Blood.
Well, I'm sick of eating scraps. We gotta find them. You think this is a party?
Oh, great. Bro, what the hell is wrong with this lag, brother?
Where did they go? Can't focus. Need to clear my head.
Well, I'm guessing he went upstairs. Can you please allow me to just to look? Thank you. Where the hell is the fuse box? Over there. Okay. There you go, the hunt is over. No one looks at the damn fuse box, bro. What do you expect is gonna happen? I mean, I was going to the damn fuse box, then I got stuck on Grandpa. Come on, game. Come on. Literally, just let me stop lagging and let someone just watch the. You're so high level. You're such a high level. What are you doing with your high levels? You're doing nothing. Let me watch the outside. And why don't you just watch the damn fuse box? Because that's where they'll go most likely. And you can listen for them. Through the valve, then I could have done all three. I could have done the valve exit. I could have done so much. Oh, I don't want to be freaking Leatherface, but I don't think I have a dang choice, do I? This guy is a level 9. Oh, it's the freaking slaughterhouse too. I like this map. Okay, you're level 12, but you only play CC apparently. Great. Well, I guess I'm the asshole now. Alright, we'll start. I'll be Leatherface, even though I hate it. I really don't like Leatherface, man. You can't do anything.
Plague the quiet farming communities of central Texas, as 2 more were reported just last evening. The cows were discovered with the throat slit and cut from belly to hip. Officials believe multiple perpetrators are responsible, as the mutilations appear to have been
Cutting up
committed at
cows?
the same time. The sheriff's department advises all ranchers to patrol their property, heavily armed, and report any suspicious activity. Local farmer Devereaux Latique told local reporters that he believes it is the work of, quote, devil worshippers. Authorities have not yet responded for comment on that claim.
Devil
The
worshippers.
search continues in Muerto County for a missing
Who has a
University of
potato
Texas
PC?
student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will...
Finally, holy shit.
Family and friends are urging any...
Okay, there's 2 side-off areas. I'll probably spawn in one of the side-offs. Just put a trap around there, you should be fine. Mostly they are in the middle area. But again, can I trust my dudes to be... Oh, I'm Leatherface. Sorry, I'm not Trap Man. Right, okay. Well, I guess I don't have to worry about that. Let the other people worry about it. Okay, we start this. Because if this thing is off, we literally can't do anything. Literally just walking around in circles. Bro! Yo, I don't know where anything is. Okay, here's the damn fuse. I see that noise over there. Move! Go, go, go! What are you standing around for? Oh great, well they're out. I hit one person a little bit. I'm back here, but this doesn't help me at all. I can't see anything. Came out through here. Meaning, more than likely, they're still around here somewhere. Got him. That's why you close doors. That is why doors are to be closed for all time. Okay, fuckers. Oh my god. That doesn't do anything? Oh, she's not a killer. Where the hell is the damn exit? Bro, I'm insanely low. Oh, there it is. Let's feed Grandpa real quick. That we see the mark on the map. What are you standing around for? Oh, there you go. We killed two of them, I guess. Skip this. I leveled up my dang chainsaw. Not really what I was going for. By the way, I am quick matching, so I'm just lucky I got killed twice. But basement, man, it's the basement is the problem. It's almost always the basement. They just open the basement door and then they are out. No. Change immediately. Someone else can be fucking that guy. I don't want to be that guy. And honestly, all I can do right now is grab savagery and try and get something nice here. So, blood harvesting is increased. I mean, I don't really care about that. Stamina drain while sprinting decreased. Ooh. I think working towards that is a good idea. Or a random perk. Let's work towards that. Then we can crank our stamina as always. Never want to stop running once I start running. 12,000 XP is kind of brutal, man. But I mean, 28% more difficult for breakout or traps. Seems pretty good. What the hell? Oh my god, bro. Okay, you know what? While I'm here, respec. Set it to its original state. Okay, we can set our chainsaw to reduces the chances of overheat. Nobody cares. And this is reduces overheat, nobody cares. Chainsaw can be used more often before stalling. Starts the chainsaw instantly. That seems pretty nice. Reduce the overheat cooldown time before you can restart chainsaw. Chainsaw can be used 10% more often. Cause horrific injuries, destroy doors and obstacles. I mean, this seems great. Instant activation is nice, but like, what else do I want? Reduces the chance of overheat from excessive revving. Or reduces overheat cooldown timer. I guess make it you do this, go down this middle line, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna put all these points into our good man here. Give me that. Give me a rando perk. Movement speed is increased by 5%. Damage is reduced. Victims who climb down wells will be highlighted for 7 seconds. It's not really what I'm going for, really, but that's fine. So when barging through a door, each consecutive hit is stronger by 40%. Yeah, I mean, nobody cares though. Increase my blood harvesting. After turning on generator, victims who climb down wells will be highlighted. Meh. After recovering from being I mean, already have that. Movement speed is increased, but 30%. Seems a bit horrible. Real quick play again. What is it? Is it because it's night time? It's 9:30 p.m. No one's playing the game. Or where I live, everyone's playing the game 100 miles away from me, so I can't play at all because it keeps the king keeps breaking. I need to be hitchhiker, brother. I put so many points into hitchhiker. I'm a very good hitchhiker. I would like to think at the very least. I don't know for sure, but seems like it. Usually I can catch some people on my traps if they come where my traps are. Otherwise, then they usually just get out of there some other way. But if they come from my area, oh, let me tell ya, hell yeah, brother, level 7 hitchhiker. That's me. And stamina drain while sprinting decreased by 20%. They have chainsaw and many men. Chainsaw is stamina consumption of melee attacks, swing for the fences, and many men. Family focus ability duration is increased, cooldown is reduced. Ooh. Good buff, good buff. Or a level 7 hitchhiker here. He's just chilling. Stamina consumption is down, that's nice. How much percentage again? Oh, well, okay, we'll start. Okay, we can't start because this asshole, these two were in a group. He's not on. 20%. Very good. It's the slaughterhouse too, okay, so it's a place I like. Now, the slaughterhouse is kinda dangerous. Most victims just don't even come to the where I start as the hitchhiker, I don't think. So I'll put maybe one trap at the generator. Hope maybe someone hits that or whatever. Maybe if they don't, I don't really care. And then other traps can all be put maybe inside the slaughterhouse, but most probably just outside somewhere. Would be the good bet. That would be where I would put my points. There you go. Thank you for readying up. After making us wait for a million years. Please don't tell me anyone has a potato PC.
Search
No
continues
potato
in Puerto
PCs,
County for a
please.
missing University of Texas student.
Just start. You can
Sheriff's
just start
Department
right
says
now,
Maria
bro.
Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered
Make sure the
abandoned.
pressure valve
Officials
is
reporting
turned
no
off.
signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the
Cure their
abandoned
property. Feed grandfather blood.
will unearth.
Hunt and collect
Family
blood.
and friends are urging
And
anyone with
execute them.
information regarding her
Hell yeah,
disappearance
brother.
to please come forward.
Oh yeah, we got the cool skin. Leatherface. It's bad how the hitchhiker has no skins. Come on, man. That's not good. I have a couple of skins. For the hitchhiker. Okay, we put a singular trap here and we immediately get out because no one comes here. The real tragedy of our time. But don't be an idiot. Lock the doors. There's usually blood in here. Yeah, okay. Somebody's learning the map. Well, I mean, a little bit, you know? Little baby steps. Okay, this is like another little side area, or is this the main area? Lock the damn thing. This is the main area, okay. Well, guess what? You want to get into this door? You gotta get past the damn trap.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Now, am I right in thinking this is a ladder exit here? Because if so...
Grandpa taught me this little trick. That sounded like a...
Oh, I can do that too, by the way. Now I cannot do that.
Oh, you poor little
Ooh, bad idea. Ooh, wrong side, lady. We all get kills. Yeah, I would disconnect too if I'd gotten slaughtered like you guys just did. Yeah, I'll collect it. They know where it is now. Put one right here.
This'll catch him.
Question, is this door open? Is. Close it, first of all. Come on, we can get Grandpa level 5. Wouldn't that be something? Oh. It's done. I have it.
When you see the children,
Drink it now. Grandpa, get your fill.
if you dare to look at
It's done.
soon you will be
Oh, you're done for, lady. Michael, Leatherface. Michael, what are you doing? Yeah. Run. Yeah, Michael. Now that was a good game. Clutch straps again.
Just like Grandpa.
Bro, the victims got massacred. I love it. I mean, I realized someone would be coming out of the ladder. There usually is. Putting a trap there, start stabbing them up. Oh, yeah. This was a chain saw massacre. No points for me, but look at my score 2400, highest in the game. Yeah, I'm cool. I'm cool like that. I can do shit like that. My good old fashioned traps. I didn't realize you could keep stabbing them while they're stuck in the damn trap, bro. That's even better. Then they're just standing there, they can't get out, and you can just get like 2 or 3 hits off on them. That's very good. That's pretty damn good. I must say. I like it a lot. I find that very agreeable. Pay close attention when hunting down the last victim. If you're close to them and Grandpa screams, they will glow. They did glow, and I did see the damn glow. That's how I realized she's close. But then she was also very highlighted on the map. So, oh, what? I gotta be freaking these people. 10 times, 20 times to get these weird wavy patterns. Alright, let's start. I'll be a survivor. I've been killer plenty of times recently, so.
The search continues in Muerto
Oh, what
County
map
for a
is this? I
missing
again
University
did
of
not see
Texas
at all.
student. The sheriff's department
They'll show
says
us at the
Maria
start, right?
Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the
They
town of
don't. Oh
Sioux.
shit,
Her
I'm
vehicle was
stupid.
recently discovered abandoned, with
Because
officials
the ladder
reporting no
exit in
signs
the
of foul
slaughterhouse, as we
play.
saw, is
Authorities
crap.
are hopeful
That's
that
a
the
horrible exit.
expanded search
Because it's right there, and if anyone is standing in there, that's just an easy kill for them.
leads. Family and friends are urging anyone.
I have to find the others.
Exit there, toolbox right there.
Yes. I need this.
Fit in the door.
Thank God.
I know what this is. It might work on those doors. Yes. Shortcut.
Oh, bloody hell.
Keep this.
Might be able to use this. Hey, I can use this.
Okay, victim noise as a vacant grandfather.
Look at this.
Yep, that was a bad exit. The ladder exit.
I got this.
Yes, okay.
Please, don't squeak.
Hello, Leatherface. You don't see me, I'm hidden in the grasses. Oh, hello, Sissy. Oh, that's not good. That's... That is in fact horrible.
Do this.
Okay. Get out of here, freaking friendly. We need a freaking lockpick here.
What do I do with this?
I should grab that. Gotta be more careful.
Oh god. Oh great, they're all freaking here. Okay. Get out of there. Okay, right here is grandfather. He's not there? There. Okay, should be fine. I know they're right next door, but they're not smart enough to know that.
Fight over here.
Bloody hell, I can't do anything. Oh my god, I'm right there, bro. Stupid guy, how was he right there? It's open, there it is. Stupid shit. I could just. I should have juked him somehow, bro. Close, close, man. I was right there. Ooh, toolbox leveled up. How did you get more points than me, bro? I was literally right there till the. I mean, I guess one of them opened the. But I opened the damn pressure gate, bro. I should have just ran away as soon as I heard him, but I thought there would be Leatherface coming from the other side, and I probably would have been right. Uh, it's hard. If you run out of stamina, it's like, what are you gonna do? You can't do anything. Just need like 5 more seconds, man. 5 more seconds, I would have been out. I would have been home free. I would have been in the home stretch. Why wasn't that guy with the other killers, man? How come this guy is suddenly smart? That's not fair. You can't be smart. You gotta be dumb. You gotta be Dumbo killers, man. Can't be going around like doing smart things. How am I gonna win otherwise? You know what I mean? No, we do have an option to respec. Slightly increases melee damage. Because am I really? I mean, I'm using this. I'm using blood harvesting. Chickens won't make noise. I mean, that really doesn't matter at all. This entire part is terrible, but maybe like up here somewhere. I mean, that's just. I doubt it would be much better. It's gas station. It's freaking gas station, bro. Okay, 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 okay. We were just at gas station, I think. We know what to do here. We know what to do. Of course, we know what to do. Everybody knows what to do here. You gotta watch the front exit, as in the gas station. The front exit is very vulnerable. It's insanely vulnerable. Vulnerable. I don't know how to say words anymore. Because I forgot how to say words. How about that? Isn't that weird? Alright, well. Sissy, if you're gonna take all this time, at least be like an insanely good Sissy. You know, you're already taking a million years, so might as well, make sure that you're at least good, right? You're not gonna be like, not gonna take forever and then be bad. You're level 10, bro. You all your time. I mean, a lower level than me. But like you've played CC so
Has been
much.
arrested for the attempted murder of local farm magnates, foreign, with the intention of stealing their fortune. Brianna Rose, 43, was hired as a live-in cook months ago. Patriarch Kit Boren was hospitalized earlier this week when a rare poison was discovered in the system. This led to Rose's arrest. Despite recommendations.
Rare poisons, eh? And I can hear them. Come on, Leatherface, pick up the pace. Don't have all day. Victims are getting out. Okay, I see green lights. I hate it.
Did they get loose on us? Oh, dang it. Should have strung them up better.
This is my map, by the way.
Where the mountains
Yo, get out of here, CC. This is my land.
to the sky.
Go collect blood from somewhere else.
Why love never dies.
My land.
This'll catch them.
Swear to God, CC, if you took all my damn blood. You piece of garbage. You took all my blood. What am I supposed to do here? No blood. You put one here. This one. This is a well stopper. So when they try and like get out through a well,
Somebody around here has to catch them.
you say no to them. You tell them you're not gonna get out of this well. No siree, not on my watch. Thank you for making noise. I'll lock it all up. Now remember, it's night time.
That's the fun part.
No one's gonna go ahead and. Oh, okay. Please, please. Where's the noise? Oh, wouldn't this be cool?
They'll never see this. It always works.
Oh, that's a one I use. It's locked.
Well, I'm sick of eating scraps. We gotta find them. What is all the others doing? Why is this dragging out?
Grandpa's power has increased. How nice. Right, this is a vital place. This place must be protected. Because they have like very easy exits here. And they're like also a super easy like one right here. Yeah, if they get out of here, they just out. This leads to the damn main road.
Fight over here.
Bro! Did it lag or did he just stand there and I... Hit me in the clutch right there. With the poison gas.
Get out of here.
Oh, one right there. Well, I'll leave that one to you.
Come on. I was just playing. Where'd you go?
Disconnected, did ya? I don't blame ya. Get in here. Now.
These varmints sure can hide.
They sure can. That's kinda what they have going for them. Kinda all they have going for them. Fuse right there, that's not good. There is a box of fuses right here. Another fuse here. I know one of my traps is right the hell here. That means the other two are over there. Okay, I'm gonna go check on my traps. Like I can see it. Oh. You guys got it. You know what screwed me last time with one of the killers is being away from the other killers. Maybe I can be that killer now. Like obviously no one's here, right? The trap is ready. This thing is on. The valve is still here. The one's gone in the well. It's all good. We'll continue farming blood. Be a good little blood farmer. Our killer boys. What are you guys doing?
Here you go,
Some kind of tactic? Cause like, Grandpa's gonna be level like 5 soon.
I guess I can't save you after all.
You okay? If they are in here, that is a horrible thing. Like, I hope you understand how horrible this is. This is literally the most easy exit they've got. This one has a lock on it. Use it. Ooh, my kill, my kill. Last one. I don't know why you're standing still. It doesn't work anymore. You closed the door and everything. My kill. That's what I'm talking about. Easy, bro. Some good gaming. Good gaming, I would say good gaming. Got some nice kills there. Yeah, Leatherface. You have fun there. Yeah, good job, buddy. You didn't do much, I didn't think. But whatever. The thought that counts or something. Nope, highest scorer of the team. Once again. Alright, I mean I'm playing well. I'm playing good. I'll see you in the next one.